Hello, my name is Cecilia. Today I'm going to introduce an innovative design proposal that aims to improve the connection between generations with the help of spatial planning, design, and experience. The intention is to make an effort to improve the social problems that we are facing these days. Block is a transportable cooperation hub that aims to explore and research on the relationship between space and social issue. Question you may ask: could a community hub be the answer to the social problem? First, we need to understand what is a community hub. According to Enough4All Community Hub Collaborative Roundtable Report, a hub is a space that meets many needs, help those who use it to improve their community, has more than one purpose, is open to everyone who is part of the community, and created by the community for the community. We will quote from Da Vinci, Principles for the Development of a Complete Mind. Study the science of art. Study the art of science. Develop your sense, especially learn how to see. Realize that everything connects to everything else. And this is very important. Social problems are related to our culture, behavior, age, sex, and many other factors. The connection between each factor are very complex. The hub provides a micro-community that brings people with various backgrounds, interests, and professions together to learn from each other. It is to help them to understand what social issue that we are facing and share their thoughts and got inspired. That's why a mobile reusable hub will be the seed and landed where it wished to go. There are two types of units, which depends on the location. Alpha is suitable for outdoor, on-site, but Plus is more for indoor and can be set up on-site, in a client's office or any place that offers the space. Now, let's have a look into the block stages. There are 3 stages. Stage 1. It travels through place and on-site to get the first-hand information from local and study on various aspects, including area, user group, facility, background, and culture. Stage 2. It organizes gathering, events, and workshops that open to the public, more accurate and better information from the local residents, for them to understand more about what space will be like. Stage 3. With the help of the 3D modeling technology, we can now planning and design the project, showing them to the public, get feedbacks before the construction start. We will also showcase different projects around the world. Now let's have a look to the first block concept. The potential site is an abandoned school which has not been developed in more than 20 years. The reason is the locals want to build a library or elderly center, whereas the government leads to build housing. The lack of communication is what we want to get involved. To help solving the problem, we are going to introduce the social lab network, which are using the design concept to create the connection through local to global. While we set up the block on site, it creates a point connected to the micro-community and supported by the neighborhood. Inspired by the Bell's letters, block logos send out clear information that represents our goal. The design will function. Block will help them to create a micro-community with the facility that suit their needs. Advise them on how to run all the events and activities. It is very important to get support from the neighborhood. Your participation and sharing not just helping the community to grow, but also international interactions between space and people are like an atom, element to molecule or mixture, forming a compound. Block in this reaction will be the chain, help people connect to each other. Beta, plus, and all the facility around the world. The relationship between community in this project is connected through different facilities. It covers almost all ages to help to find a solution for the generation gap issue. What to expect and how can you get involved? The residential included living units for private housing and hostel for short-term staying for the event. Daycare center provides service for elderly and early education. You can learn and experience from the activities and events through volunteering. Library Cafe runs a book club weekly and provides the daily fresh cake, tea, and coffee. It is also open 24 hours for the local resident. Block Studio organizes exhibitions, workshops, and events that help to bring the community together, connect, sharing, and learn from each other, inspire, and be inspired.